Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing well. Today is a different video, a different vlog. So I am going to prepare butterfly pea tea. Okay, so this is a herbal tea which I'm going to prepare. So if you have seen my previous vlog, I would have shown you it is a plant in my mom's house. So it is also called as Shankha Pushpam. So this plant is in my mom's house. So I'm going to prepare a tea from that. It's like a herbal tea. It has many benefits of drinking tea, and it also tastes good. It's not like tasteless tea, but yes, when you prepare it like this, it changes color, and for seeing also it's soothing for eyes. So this is how it looks if you have seen this flower anywhere. So I'm going to take all the ingredients from here. So I'm going to even take mint from my mom's pot here, garden, small little garden there. So I'm going to take the ingredients, and let us start. So you can see, so beautiful and so vibrant these colors look. So it's like a purple bluish color, and even the mint also is so green and vibrant green, right? So let us start the process. So here I'm going to take a little bit of water and add sugar so that we can prepare a sugar syrup for our juice. It's a refreshing juice, right? So if you want, you can even add powdered sugar. So I'm adding a required amount of sugar so that we can prepare a syrup. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just gently washing the flowers and the leaves which I just bought, and it might leave some color, so you'll have to just gently rub it. The flowers are very delicate, so I'm just gently washing them. Next, I'm just boiling water so that I can dip the flowers so that they can release their color into the water, and we can use that water to prepare our drink. I'm just adding the leaves. I'm not adding anything else. You can see how beautifully they release their color, and it's going to become a dark purple color. Can you see the beautiful color which they have released? So I've added more flowers. You can just add few. So I'm just dipping them so that I get a dark blue color. I haven't added any food color or anything. It's just the color from the butterfly pea. Look how beautiful that looks. It's a bright blue color. So now let's start preparing the juice. First I'm adding the blue color, that is from our flower, that is butterfly pea flower water. So if you just add a little bit, that is enough, because I've added more flowers, right? So it's like it has a dark blue color, dye. So if you just add a little bit, that's enough. So next what I'm going to add is the syrup which we had prepared before. So that is what I'm going to add. Next I'm going to add lemon. So few drops of lemon. When I'm going to squeeze this lemon into this water, if you can see the change of the color in the glass, I will just show it to you. It has a beautiful purple color. Can you see? It's turning into purple. So pretty. On the left hand glass side, if you can see, I haven't added lemon before. So that was like dark blue, and now after adding the lemon, it has turned purple. So it is going to change color. It's like, you have these different drinks in restaurants, right? So it's going to look like that. Now for some freshness, I'm going to add mint, the same mint which I took from my mom's garden. I'm just going to crush a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so that they can release their juice. This butterfly pea flower juice has so many effects and so many advantages. It's, as I told you, it is a herbal tea. It is good for blood sugar, and it's good for weight reduction. If you're losing weight, you can drink this tea, and it has so many benefits. So yeah, I finish crushing. I'm adding little in both the glasses. Now I'm adding water. You can see the color on the left hand side glass and on the right hand side glass. It changes instantly, right? So look at the color of this drink, guys. It has beautiful color, and it has many benefits. If you just search in Google, what are the benefits of this drink, and this flower, you will get so many, benefits. So yeah, after that I'm just decorating the glass. And after shooting this video, we had, so much fun drinking this drink. It was so cool and refreshing, and it was just like, uh, you know we bought a drink in some restaurant. It was so nice. And can you see the difference in the color? This is what we just prepared. That blue is from the flower, and it has changed completely. This was today's videos, guys. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and to my vlogs. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.